Hello everyone, I'm Kajal Mehra and today we are at Electronica, Productronica India 2026 and with us is Mr. Vishal Dahiya. He is the Director of Factory Automation System at Panasonic Smart Factory Solutions India. Hello sir.
Hello.
Hi, I welcome you to our Q&A session today and before we move ahead to the Q&A session, I want you to introduce yourself and a bit about of your role in Panasonic.
Yeah, I'm Vishal Dahiya. I take care of sales and service operations in Panasonic Smart Factory Solutions. At Panasonic Smart Factory Solutions, we are operating with three business verticals. One is the factory automation, for which the exhibition is happening, and the second is the welding systems, and third is the digital factory solutions. So we are spread across India to support our customers from different segments like automotive, telecom, and EMS companies, and consumer electronics.
Okay. Thank you very much for this introduction. And now we are moving ahead to the Q&A session. So my first question for you is that with India accelerating towards the Industry 4.0, how is Panasonic Smart Factory Automation solution aligning its roadmap to support this transformation?
Yeah, this is now the need of the hour. So manufacturing is moving towards Industry 4.0. India is also catching up since quite long now. So Panasonic also developed the solutions locally now to help the manufacturers to cater this need actually. So we have our own system now for the traceability and for the warehouse management and solution. So they are integrated with the SAP of the organization, and primarily then this can be lead to the need of the industry for the digitalization.
Okay. So you have been a strong advocate of autonomous manufacturing. How realistic is it? Its large-scale adoption in India over next 3 to 5 years.
Yeah, automation or autonomous worldwide it is catching up, and India is not behind now. So there are demands from the high-speed manufacturers for the high manufacturing floors. Customers are looking for more and more automation now on the floor. So Panasonic are also developing the solutions related to the need of the customers. And we are also catching up for the automation, not only on the floors, whereas we have bring the solution for the autonomous manufacturing. This under the autonomous manufacturing, where we call it skillless operations, means if the operators or if there is a manpower issue, so machines are capable enough to alert or alarm for the parameters which are required for the performance of the machine. So that's how manufacturers can less dependency on the operators now.
Okay. So Panasonic brings Japanese engineering precision to India. How do you balance global standards with local manufacturing needs and cost sensitivities?
Yeah, of course, India is also catching up on the global platform.
Yes.
So they need a global solution itself. And India is not only making for India, India is making for the world. So similarly, the demand is also like to meet the global standards. So the equipments or the solutions are ready to meet those demands.
Okay. What role do AI, IoT, and robotics currently play in your factory automation solution, and how do you see this evolving?
Yeah, this is the field which has been growing, and a lot of research or the developments are happening in this arena only, and it is also coming into the manufacturing now. So IoT is already I explained you
Yes.
for the Industry 4.0 how we are catching up. For the robotics part also, definitely more and more automation is happening on the floors, as well as in our other division, we are bringing more robotic solutions for the welding equipments. More and more manual operations are shifting to the robotic operations actually.
Okay. How is Panasonic contributing to reducing skill dependency in India manufacturing through automation?
Yeah, we our new solutions catering to that need. Basically, there are primarily 5 prime things which are required for the manufacturing, like a man method, measurement, machine, material. So Panasonic has developed solutions to cater the consistency in those arenas, so that the dependency on the human is reduced. So this is the new machines are equipped with those options, so manufacturers can select those options, and then they can have a more better quantitative and qualitative manufacturing.
Perfect. So, from your perspective, which sectors in India are most ready to embrace smart factory ecosystem and why?
Currently, looks like the smart manufacturing can be utilized more effectively on the high manufacturing floors. Actually, no, because where the consumer demands are changing, the models need to be changed, the manufacturing setups need to be changed. So there they are adopting smart manufacturing more faster actually, and primarily followed by the automotive also. They are also having similar challenges from the consumer demand point of view. So there also this trend we are seeing now for the smart manufacturing.
Okay. So, since we are at the ground of electronica and productronica, I would like to know about the products that you have been displaying here from the side of Panasonic.
Today in this exhibition, this time we are displaying complete PCBA assembly solutions, starting from the printing, our latest equipment, to the mounting machines, high-speed mounting machines, as well as the new partners we have associated with for the reflow ovens and the inspection machines. Plus, providing support to this PCB assembly, we have also displayed here O&M solution, operation and maintenance solution, which helps for the speedable recovery on the floors and more quality manufacturing actually. Clubbed with that, we also have displayed our new software solutions which we have developed for the industry, like traceability for the SMT traceability as well as the finished good traceability, plus warehouse management softwares for the raw material for the finished goods. So those are all local developed digital solutions. So that all are displayed here.
So, thank you very much, Vishal,
Thank you.
for answering my questions very well and for those informative insights. And thank you so much for watching us.
Thank you very much.